if you close your eyes.
おはようございます。デイ1。今日が初日です。オリエンテーションがこれからあるんですけど、あいにくの雨、わかるかな ?8 時16分。で、オリエンテーション。8時。もう始まってる。始まってて、次がこれ。まあなんかここら辺に間に合うように行こうかなみたいな感じ。これから、まあ、ちょっとご飯軽く食べて、もうシャワー浴びたんで。で、3ヶ月ぶりの運転です。ちょっと怖い。Oh boy! Lost! Welcome back! I missed you! I know. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
This boy.
Oh, right here.
My boyfriend. Tyler showing up out of the blue. 知ってる人は覚えてると思うんですけど。Anyway, I'm gonna head to school. I haven't driven for 3 months, so I'm really nervous. It's been a long time to drive. This is my car. トヨタのソラーラっていうやつ。多分日本にはないんですよね。よっ。車がないとどこにも行けないんで。出勤で。ちょっとした豆知識っていうかなんですけど、アメリカ人が車のことを呼ぶときは it でもなく he でもなく she って呼びます。なぜか she って呼ぶんで、例えば、なんか俺の車あそこにあるよみたいな she's over there みたいな感じで言うんですよね。ちょっと気持ち悪い。なんか車に乗るっていう感覚、なんか女の子に乗るかわかんないけど、そんな感じで車の時は she になります。久しぶりの運転すぎて3ヶ月間全く乗ってなかったんでちょっと怖いですけど、結局怖いな、普通に、超ドキドキする。とりあえず36分かけて学校まで行きます。リバー免許書き換えて日本で運転できるようにしたんですけど、結局一回も運転することなく終わりましたな。怖い、普通に。ってな感じで学校向かいます。着きましたぜ。全然どこがどこかわからん。とりあえずデイリーホールっていうところに向かいます。誰かに聞かないところはわからんな。学校広すぎるんで誰か探そう。Excuse me, do you know where is the Daily Hall?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
You get it? Do you know? Daily Hall?
Daily Hall.
It says 26, number 26.
Alright, let's see. We are
This one.
number 26?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're up here. We're right here.
Okay, 23.
Yep. So if you go out to the middle there, and then walk right down the middle.
Okay.
Okay?
This way, right?
Yeah,
this
go
way.
that way.
Okay.
Yep. So go out to the middle, walk
Okay.
there at the end of this building, and then just head down that way. And then I just count your buildings on the way down, because
Okay.
you're
It's
coming
like
out.
cube style, right?
Yeah, because you're coming out right here. Okay.
Okay.
So you want to go down 1, 2, 3, 4,
and
5
5
buildings.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
あれですな、デイリーホール。
Name a way you can do well in the classroom. By listening to your teacher. Listening in classroom. Survey says. Oh, it is important.
It's super important.
Name a way you can do well in the classroom. Do your homework. Do the work assigned to you. Something you might see American students wearing in class. Michaela. Sweatpants. Is that on the board?
Sweatpants. Let me see. Is sweatpants on the board?
All right.
Boom.
Now the number one answer, though. Can you guess what the number one answer is? Something you might see students wearing to class. Class? Yep. Oh, glasses. Are glasses on the board?
Survey says. Bam.
X in the bottom.
X
Right
in the
corner.
bottom.
All right, translate over here. Here we go.
So we finished orientation and we're heading to town. This is Jojo.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah.
The bus. Alright, let's go. I'll get here. Sit here. スクールバスって結構映画とかにも出てきて、前からずっと乗りたかったんで夢が一つ叶えましたね。で、これから、街を回ってで、その後ベースボールを見に行きます。
Video Game Hall of Fame is in there. Butterfly exhibits like Toy Hall of Fame, that's really big. Mr. Potato Head got retired in this year, so everyone was here. Alright guys, let's go.
誰か知らないけど、レスリング界ではすごい有名な人らしいです。So we will be watching baseball and of course baseball with hot dog. Are you guys excited? No? You don't know the rules? Is that your dance? It's right now 5-2. They're losing. That's our school advisor, international school advisor. He's so nice. He's awesome. What's happening right now is if you brought the ticket, we're gonna get free tacos. That's why like people are excited. I want you to guess where she's from. Get closer, closer, closer. And she has beautiful eyes too. Yeah, it's enough. And hard too. Should we give them names? Your names?
Yeah.
So,
My name is Maya.
okay.
My name is Rebecca.
Guess what country where she's where they're from on the comment section. Hey guys, can you teach me how to do that?
Okay. Like film in her mouth.
Yeah.
You have
Yeah.
to blow
You-
inwards.
Can you do that too? Can you do that here too?
That looks so cool. Oh my god, you
Laughing
learned
so
that.
hard. Laughing to death.
It just was happening.
Oh, how about this?
You need to learn this version.
Like,
That's nice.
we came to watch baseball and we're doing stupid things. It's amazing. マイナーリーグのいいところはすごい安い。めっちゃ安くて、で週に1回$1ウィーク、$1デイみたいなことがあって、ホットドッグとかが$1になるんで、すごくいいですね。でも寒い。Back my house, really tired and sleepy, and Bang eating sandwich while he's meditating. Asian style.
Oh.
Is it? Yeah, getting there.
Oh.
Someone commented, "I love Ben." Like,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way. Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat dinner and hit the bed. Hit the bed or hit to the bed.
No, true though. I would say hit the sack.
Hit the sack.
Yeah, hit the sack. If you're saying hit the,
Yeah.
usually you're using like an idiom for bed.
Yeah.
You never really say the bed if you use hit the. So hit the sack, hit the hay.
Hit the hay. Hit the sack. Hit the book.
And then, but you would say like go to bed because that's official.
Yeah.
But hit the kind of like already. Yeah, it's already slang. So you need to use a slang word for bed. If you're going to use a slang word said that you're going to do it, you also should use a slang word for bed.
So I need to use like slang plus not slang. Like it need to be slang and slang.
Yeah, like it should be. Like,
Oh. So this is the benefit of having American friends. Like, they teach you everything. 1 to 0. No, 0 to 100. I'm really tired. He's my English teacher. Well, see you tomorrow. We still have orientation. Bye. Peace.